In this video, I am going to show you how to replace sky in Snapseed. You can change sky from any photo and give your photo an amazing look in any time by your own mobile phone using the Snapseed app. Let's start the video. Open your desired photo in Snapseed. Tap Tools. Select Double Exposure. From your phone storage, select the image of the sky. Adjust the sky image on your main editing image. From the preset, choose a overlay option. Adjust it again. Apply the image. Now, tap on the edit stack to view edits, then tap the brush icon on the middle. Increase or decrease the brush opacity. Now start brushing over the image. You will find the sky is changing while you are brushing. Carefully brush over the edges. After brushing it all, invert the image to see if there are any part left or not. If yes, brush it again. If needed, do this process again. Tap and hold to see the before edit and after edit image. When you are satisfied with your edit, tap the back arrow. If you want some more fine tuning on your image, you can go to Tools and Fine Tune Image or any other tools. Here I am using the Selective tool to do some more fine tuning. By this way, you can replace the sky of any photo using the Snapseed app on your mobile. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, please do subscribe. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.